Okay, today we are going to study what is select options in SAP, a very important area, logic in SAP. And this is the program that we are going to write. Um, let's start off with data v underscore mac text, and that will be type mac text. Okay. Parameters will be p underscore matter type matter. Okay, so select options actually creates an internal table. These are structured records, but captures one record at a time. Okay, and let's write v underscore matter, but uh, we haven't actually uh, we haven't actually um, uh, defined v matter. Okay, so let's also define that. Okay, that will be v underscore matter type matter. Okay, and let's write uh let's write select options s underscore matter for v underscore matter. Okay, um let's um disable this, check no syntax errors, activate, enter, and direct processing. S matter material number is, so select options is actually also input parameters, just like because we disabled the parameters, and now we have a list of materials. It's giving a range. The select options are there for v matter. Execute, and since we are actually we just wrote v matter. What is v matter? It's type material number. Okay, and what we actually did, we selected a material engine, and material number is material description and material number 4K vision. Okay, this is what it has to produce. Okay, 4K vision, GA television, execute. Number is longer than the length set. All right. So next time we'll have to set engine chassis. Okay, chassis. It's not showing up. So we have to put in some so select options creates internal tables, and we can actually put in a break point here. Session breakpoint. So now let's go for direct processing. Chassis, execute, the debugger will start. Okay, and S matter, this is the value it has learned. Okay, I'll go for F5, 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 F5. Somehow it's getting an error invalid variable. All right, and for F5, 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 F5. Okay, standard table. No, I guess I have. Okay, let me just okay, let me just rerun it so that we have um, something in place to show. Session breakpoint will be shown over here. Session, okay. And SMATNA, direct processing, chassis, execute, debugger starting. Let me share the screen. This was missed last time. Okay. Share and select options. I'll double click here as SMATNA, give some rows here, and then F5, 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 and form F5, F5, F5. I'll keep pressing it until the program reaches the right function. Okay. Okay. F5, 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 F5. F5, 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 and function F5, and method F5, 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 and form. Okay, it has gone into a loop. Let's okay, C38, change. So the brackets actually add the range table. Now, what we'll do, we add another data, we spross type spross. Okay. Select options. Select options. S logo spross for V spross. So what is this doing? Select options for V spross. What is spross? So internal tables and work area created with a headline. Okay. And we have data here. And data, let's add some more. IT MACT type standard table of MACT. Okay. And Let's do one thing of macked with headline. Okay, full stop. Uh, so with headline it makes it a separate work area. So now we will actually run the program and um, okay, before vmatner, let's do something. ID underscore macked matner is equal to 100. Material number IT macked plus is equal to E. If I'm not wrong, EN or E. Let's IT underscore macked text equals test. Okay. Append IT macked. Okay. So now we'll do IT macked and IT macked. Okay. Now clear IT underscore macked. No, macked loop at IT macked and loop. And loop. Okay. Check pivot, enter direct processing. No, we want here Control Shift F12 session breakpoint, direct processing, Matner, execute. Okay, B Matner. IT Mac 400 with header line. IT Mac standard table is showing. All right, and the size 4 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, and let's do F5, 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 F5. Standard table. And what was our okay. Okay, session breakpoint. Okay, select options. It's not showing here. Anyways. Okay, right? So let's write another program. Okay, select options and create. Select options. April executable program. Save local object. Okay, I have this code. Data v mactex. Type v mactex. V spras spras. ITMac type standard table of MACT with header line. Select option S matner for v matner and S spras for v spras. So this will capture for vMatner, for material number, and for language. Select all from MACT into table IT. MACT into IT, this is internal table where matner equals S matner. Where matner, which is standard table, equals selection matner. And select all from MACT into IT where matner in S matner. I'll explain this later what this is. I'll so write v matner v underscore spras. Okay. No errors found. Activate. Enter. Direct processing. Chasse. Execute. It's not showing. Somehow it is not showing because it cannot find. If you want all, execute. Still not showing. Okay. No worries, no worries. So if I go back to the program and let's do this and do this, select from into table IT MACT. Okay. And IT MACT. From MACT into IT where matner is equal to and matner. Okay. Check. S underscore matner. Check. Activate. Enter. Direct processing. Chasse. IEQ. Chasse. Okay. Okay. S matner is being displayed using matner in S matner. It is taking from this. Okay. So it is selecting all from MACT. V matner is taking from matner. It's processing from spras. V mactex. Okay. Now let's create another program. Okay. That is 3. Create. Select options 3:30 April executable program. Enter local object. And I have the code written for this lecture. Okay. Vmactex is type Mactex. Now, what is Mactex? If you want to know, /o SE11. Okay, Mactex. Okay, change, enter, maintain in logon language, which is English. Continue. Material description, Mactex. Okay. Okay. Vmactex is Mactex. Vmata is material numbers, process language. ITMac type standard table of MACT. MACT should be the master table. MACT. Change. Okay. Matnas, pras, Mactex. Material description, Mac G, which is uppercase. Okay. So MACT is having an internal table. PMatner is parameter matner, and pspras is parameter for spras, which is spras is a field of MACT. So select all from MACT into table, ITMACT. From MACT, pull everything into this table, ITMACT, where matner equals PMatner is equals parameter of matner. So select all from MACT, main table into table, internal table, ITMACT, where matner equals PMatner and spras equals pspras. Loop at ITMACT. Okay. Okay. So what do you want? Write PMatner, pspras. Matna p underscore stress. Okay. And let's do one thing. Let's cut it from here and do this. Check. Activate. Enter. Direct processing. Okay. 0132. Let's take another one. TM06. Execute. EN. Okay. TM06 EN. It has produced that. pspras. Direct processing. TM06 English. Execute. Okay, now we have TM06 English 110 material bomb header material will be changed. The program a little bit. ITMact it has produced. ITMact. Okay. Do what ITMact. And what if I executed direct processing if I don't give any execute? Oh, it needs something. And let's change. Okay. Activate. Okay. Okay. Enter. Direct processing and execute. No. Still needs. Okay. Bomb header material. Okay. Now that was with parameters. Now we remove and replace the parameters with this code. Okay. And this will make it clear. Okay. We have vMATTEX, MATTEX, vMatna, Matna, Spras, all good. Select options S Matna for vMatna and vSpras. Same things, loop at ITMact, right? ITMact Matner, ITMact Spras, MATTEX. Parameters. Let's do one thing. Let's make another program instead of overwriting. Select options 30th April, executing program. Once you start getting the hang of ABAP, it's so easy and enjoyable. You have do nothing extra. That is the essence, because you have the code. Coders have Excel files which have the code. So we don't actually work like functional consultants who have to configure from screen to screen, from process to process. We have the code ready like this. Smart, yeah? Smart in it. So again, coming back to the code, vMATTEX is MATTEX. Matna is represented by vMatna and so on. ITMac is internal table of MACT. S material number is V material number. It will select for vMat. This is vMatner. From MACT, everything is pulled into ITMac, where material number is what the user gives and gives the the language. The program will loop it and produce ITMac Matna, because ITMac is internal table representation of MACT. So MACT's child element or field is Matna, Spras, and MACTEX, and it will end the loop. Check. Activate. Enter. Direct processing. Execute. And we have a list. We have a long list. This is how you produce results with the correct code. So make sure you have this ready. You have the code that actually produces that. That's all for today. I hope you got the hang of ABAP. It's not very difficult. It's so very easy. All right. You just need to get in the line of logic to know what is ABAP. So very easy. Step by step, you'll start enjoying it. Until next time, have a good day ahead. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.